Hi, everyone. I am Nuatika. We are from Group 4. Today we want to explain about our topic, which is byproduct pricing. First of all, I want to explain about definition of byproduct pricing. In general, byproduct is a pricing method used in situations where a saleable byproduct results in the manufacturing process. If the byproduct has little value and it's costly to dispose of, it will probably not affect the pricing of the main product. If, on the other hand, the byproduct has significant value, the manufacturer may derive a competitive advantage by charging a lower price for its main product. And now, we move to the characteristic of byproduct pricing. Here we have three main characteristics. The first characteristic is environmental and sustainability considerations. Companies may prioritize the utilization or disposal of byproducts in an environmentally responsible manner, which can affect the pricing strategy. The second characteristic is maximizing overall profitability. Byproduct pricing aims to maximize the overall profitability of the production process by leveraging the value of the byproducts. The last characteristic is value extraction. Byproduct evaluation is about identifying and extracting value from the byproducts of the manufacturing process. For example, ethanol production. A company is engaged in the production of biofuels, specifically ethanol.
Hi, my name is Diana Camellia. In my part, I would like to explain about factor of usage of byproduct pricing. The first factors of usage of byproduct pricing is high market value, which mean the economic value of the byproduct is a crucial factor in determining its usage. For example, is glycerin of the biodiesel industry. Glycerin has various applications in industries, such as pharmaceuticals and personal care products. Second factors is cost, which mean byproducts can sometimes offer cost savings or efficiency improvements in the production process of primary product. For example, a byproduct may serve as a substitute for another costly materials or resource. The last factor of usage is environmental factor. That's mean, increasingly, businesses are focusing on sustainability and environmental stewardship. For instance, consider the paper manufacturing industry. During the production of paper, various byproducts are generating such as bark, lignin, and sludge.
Hi, my name is Liana. In my part, I would like to explain about advantages and disadvantages of byproduct pricing. The first advantages is revenue generation. The revenue generation is by assigning a value to byproducts, companies can generate additional revenue streams. For example, in the paper manufacturing industry, lignin is a byproduct generated during the pulping process. Second advantages is cost recovery, which mean by assigning a value to byproducts, companies can offset some of their production costs. For instance, in the oil and gas industry, natural gas is often a byproduct of oil drilling operations. The last advantages is enhanced resource efficiency. That's mean by assigning value to byproducts, companies are motivated to find innovative ways to utilize these materials effectively. For example, in the automotive industry, car manufacturers have been exploring ways to utilize the waste heat generated by engines. Next, I will explain about disadvantages of byproduct pricing. First disadvantages is complexity in pricing determination, which mean assigning a value to byproducts can be challenging due to factors such as market demand, quality variations, and fluctuating prices. For example, in the recycling industry, different types of plastics may have varying market values depending on factors like their quality, purity, and demand. Second disadvantages of byproduct pricing is market volatility and dependency. That's byproduct pricing is influenced by market conditions and demand. For instance, the price of scrap metal, a common byproduct in various industries, is subject to market volatility. Last disadvantages is operational costs and logistics. Incorporating byproduct pricing into operations may require additional investments in infrastructure, technology, and logistical capabilities. For instance, in the agricultural sector, the pricing and utilization of byproducts such as crop residues or animal waste for energy production or fertilizer can require investments in collection systems, storage facilities, and transportation infrastructure.
Next part is about real practice example of byproduct pricing. The first point is oil refining industry, which mean when crude oil is processed into various petroleum products, such as gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, and lubricants. There are often byproducts generated in the refining process. Besides, one common byproduct is petroleum coke, a solid residue that remains after the refining of heavy oils. Second point is steel manufacturing industry. Steel manufacturing industry mean in the steel manufacturing process, byproducts such as slag and sludge are generated. Slag is a non-metallic residue that forms during the steelmaking process, while sludge consists of various waste materials, including dust and scale. For example, slag can be processed into materials used in construction, such as aggregate for road construction or cement production. The last point is dairy industry. In the dairy industry, whey is a byproduct of cheese production. Whey is a liquid remaining after the curdling and straining of milk during the cheese making process. Next, rather than disposing of whey as waste, dairy companies have found various applications and markets for this byproduct.
Last but not least, I would like to explain about comprehensive and overall conclusion of byproduct pricing. Based on the information provided above, setting the appropriate price for the byproducts of the primary core product offers a chance to generate additional money. Setting the appropriate price for the byproduct is crucial. Next, to ensure that the byproducts are still sold at a profit and are able to recoup expenses, the costs must be accurately determined, just as with any other price.
That's all from our group. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you again.